Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review a lipstick, and today's video is about the Renee Fab 5-in-1 lipstick. The price of this lipstick is 750 rupees for 7.5 grams of quantity. Now this product has 5 different shades. It's like 5 in 1. So each lipstick contains 1.5 grams of quantity. This lipstick comes in an outer cardboard box like this, which has the ingredient list, expiry date and other details listed on it. The inner packaging looks like this. This lipstick comes in a bullet form and it has 5 different shades. So in order to switch one shade and try the other one, you have to pull out the first shade and then put it back from here, and then you get the other shade on top. So this is how you can use it. This is the complete ingredient list of this lipstick, which they have mentioned on the outer cardboard box. Let's see what are the claims they have made about this lipstick. They say that it gives creamy finish, soft and smooth application, one stroke application, moisturizing, enriched with jojoba oil, cruelty free and vegan. I agree with all of the claims that they have mentioned on their on the product packaging and on their website as well. So it does have a very creamy finish and a very creamy formula. It glides on very easily. Now with a lot of matte bullet lipsticks, it's a bit difficult to work with them because they are a bit drying and it doesn't apply very smoothly, and you have to like struggle a little bit with a lot of bullet lipsticks that are matte. But with this particular one, it is not at all difficult to apply. It is so creamy. It glides on very smoothly. Application is very smooth. It is definitely one swipe application because it is supremely pigmented. The pigmentation is just too good. I love the overall formula of this lipstick. And again, even after removing the lipstick with a lot of bullet lipstick, what it happens is the lips become dry and it becomes chapped and dry and excessively dry. So it doesn't happen with that. You don't feel like you had applied a bullet lipstick. So the overall quality, the overall formula is just too good of this lipstick. Next thing is about the removal process. It's quite easy as usual with many other bold color lipsticks like red color and all. It's a bit difficult to remove them. With micellar water, it takes some time. You have to like rub a little bit, but if you are using a cleansing oil or cleansing balm, it comes off very easily. It doesn't leave any sort of color behind, residue behind. Next thing is the staying power of this lipstick is quite high. It's not very high. It is just the average staying power of around 2 to 3 hours it would last if you are just consuming some liquids, and if you're just consuming some light meals, then it would stay for around 2 to 3 hours. But if you use some oily meals, then it starts fading a little bit. It doesn't bleed again while getting removed. It doesn't bleed on the lips, unlike some lipsticks. It doesn't leave like traces behind. It fades very smoothly, so that also is another good thing. But this lipstick is not transfer proof. It does transfer. Talking about the price, it looks a bit pricey, but if you see you getting 5 different lipsticks for this amount, then it's okay. They do have a lot of discounts on Amazon, and they sell it for around 500 to 600 in a lot of offers most of the time, so you can check it out. So overall quality is good. The only thing is it does transfer. But another thing is you have to be a little bit careful with this lipstick when you're using it, when you're applying it, when you're trying to switch the shade and apply another shade. So you have to do all these things when you have a lot of time at hand. If you're in a hurry and all, I wouldn't recommend you to use this lipstick at that point of time, because in case you drop it, then obviously it will chip, and just like any other lipstick. But yeah, so you have to be a little bit extra careful with this lipstick. The packaging is good. It's quite sturdy and everything is perfect. They have designed it nicely. If you don't put it in properly, then it can chip, or if you drop it, obviously any lipstick would chip. So that is all I had to share about this lipstick. It's very nice. I'm quite happy with the overall quality of this lipstick, and ever since I got this, I'm using it in every single video, all the 5 different shades I have tried, and it looks nice on camera. This is the picture of the hand swatches that I took in natural daylight, and this is how all the 5 different shades look like. That is all from my overall review of the Renee 5-in-1 Fab lipstick. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such beauty related reviews. I do a lot of skincare reviews on my channel, so I'll leave some links in the description box below so you can check that out. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.